Shiba Inu is up more than 3x in the past 7 days. These dogs, they keep proving me wrong, man. Ever since Dogecoin and now Shiba Inu. Now, let's talk about Shiba Inu, how it's doing, where it's going. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons why Shiba is exploding the way it is right now. Also, I'm going to talk about the 1 cent Shiba Inu per coin or $0.01 per Shiba Inu. And now let's go. So let's start by taking a look at Shiba Inu's chart. Now, if you take a look, it looks crazy. Like, I can't believe I missed out on this because this seems like there's no way I can miss out on this. This is an amazing setup. So let me explain what you're seeing right here. So you have this line, which is basically, I'm going to delete it and draw it once again. This line is a resistance, right? And this line is a support. So this is basically a channel. Between these two lines is a channel. And there's a saying that goes, the bigger the base or the bigger the consolidation, the higher the breakout, just like we can see. So I can't believe I missed this. Honestly, I haven't been paying attention to Shiba Inu at all, but I truly believe that if I would have bought somewhere near this or directly after the breakout. I know hindsight is 2020, but anyway, I missed out on this, and I hope you guys didn't miss out just like I did. Now, here's how this looks in my opinion. So right now it's up from October 2nd almost, or even September 30th. It's up 230%. So that's a 3.3 times your money. If you put $100 now, it's $330, like in 3 days, which is insane. What is the reason behind this? And I'll tell you why. So first of all, the first and I think the biggest reason behind all this is the fact that it has a huge community behind it. There are 241,000 members just on the Reddit of Shiba Army, which is insane. Now, before I doubted Dogecoin, and I think I had about 1 million on the Reddit. Now it's 2.2 million. So the crypto space and the NFT space in general has been proving to me time and time again that community is almost above anything. Well, definitely there needs to be a project and a solid project with a solid team and developers, but community is almost what is driving most of the prices up. When you have a team of determined SHIB army or army of Shiba holders, then you know that it's gonna get better. So before, I thought it was the end of all these coins when crypto was dipping and everything was dipping, but boy oh boy, I was wrong. Now the second reason why I believe, and it's not so major, but I think it's another reason why Shiba pumped like that, is because on October 3rd, which is October 3rd is right there, it's before the explosion, Elon Musk tweeted his little Shiba Inu dog, which is very cute, by the way. So I'm not saying this is the reason or the end all be all reason why it pumped. I'm saying that it's a catalyst. So he posted this picture, which triggered some people to buy, which is great for the price in general. The fourth reason why I believe Shiba Inu pumped is because of Coinbase. Now, Coinbase listed Shiba Inu back on September 16th. Now, I know on September 16th, we didn't see a huge move. So this is September 16th, the green candle you see right there. We saw a pump of, well, it's a very decent pump. It's a 31% pump. And then we saw a pullback, and then it took almost 3 weeks before we saw this explosion. Now, when a listing happens, so here's what happens, guys. There's this buy the rumor, sell the news, where people buy before the news, and then when the news comes out, it drops. In this case, the news came out, it pumped a bit, and then it dropped because people were expecting a bigger hype on this. And as you can see, they sold at this resistance level because they thought we're not going to break out of this. But a few days after that, maybe about a week and a half or 2 weeks or so, we broke out of this resistance. And the reason for that is because Coinbase didn't just list Shiba Inu, it was promoting it like crazy. I received multiple emails on Twitter, they were talking about it. And there was a time where Coinbase only followed Shiba Inu. That's it. They didn't follow anyone else. Right now, I think they have like 16 following. They have been posting a lot about Shiba, which is giving it free advertisement, so people are learning about it. And not only that, before it was harder to buy Shiba when it was just on KuCoin or just on Binance, and Binance didn't list it until recently, I would say a few months back. So it wasn't very easy to buy Shiba. But with Coinbase, you just unlock your phone, link your bank account, and with one click, you can buy it. It's very user-friendly. For that reason, it had more people buying Shiba Inu, which is great as well. The fifth and final reason why I believe Shiba pumped like that is because of this. So they are requesting that Robinhood lists Shiba Inu coin, which is going to drive the price to the moon, just like it did with Dogecoin recently. And right now we have 202,000 people who signed this petition out of 300,000. This could be another reason. The anticipation is having people buy more. Okay, Robinhood is going to list it. I'm going to buy it before it goes to the moon. So people buy it, the price goes up, and so on, so forth. Now I see the community which is growing crazy behind Shiba Inu. And for example, if we compare it to Dogecoin, they even got to AMC now. AMC to accept Dogecoin for digital gift card purchases. The huge community, even though Dogecoin wasn't a great project and it was created as a joke, after the community started building up, the developers started to improve it, and then this caused AMC to accept it as well. Definitely there's Mark Cuban behind Dogecoin who's always talking about it, and Elon Musk was previously talking about it. All these affected, but this shows that it's progressing, and Shiba Inu has the same potential to do that as well. Now I'm going to talk about the truth behind 1 cent Shiba Inu, and let's talk about it right now. So right now, as we said, it's up to 121%. If we click on Shiba Inu, let's take a look at some of the metrics, and the volume right now is 12.7 billion, which is crazy, in just the last 24 hours. Also, the market cap is $8.8 billion. I can't believe we're already at 8.8 billion. Now, let me talk about where the volume is actually coming from. If you take a look at the markets, take a look at Binance, we have 4.3 billion, which is 34% of the volume from Binance. We have Coinbase Exchange, 12%, but the majority is coming from Binance. And we have people buying huge amounts of Shiba Inu. Now, let's talk about 1 cent Shiba Inu. Now, let's do some very simple math. So right now, the price of each Shiba token is 0.402191. Now, if we want to reach 1 cent, the number that we're asking for, we're going to have to divide 1 cent by 0.123402191. Correct? Now, the number we get is 456, meaning that the price and the market cap of Shiba token or Shiba Inu must multiply by 456 times, not 456%. 456% is 5.5 times, 456 times, meaning that the market cap should go up. Right now it's 8.6 billion. I'm going to multiply 456 by 8.6 billion. I'm just going to do 8 billion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 8 billion. And we get this number. So we have this number where there's a 3 and there's 15 digits after that. And this number is quadrillion, meaning that the market cap of Shiba Inu at 1 cent is $3 quadrillion. I had to research what the number is in order to find out what this number means with 15 zeros. It turns out to be quadrillion. Now, the reason why I believe this is impossible, at least in our lifetime, is because if you do a quick search about how much money there is in the world, there is approximately $40 trillion in circulation, which includes all physical money and the money deposited in savings and checking account. And in the form of investments, derivatives, and cryptocurrencies, it exceeds $1.3 quadrillion. Can you just imagine Shiba Inu worth more than 3x what the whole world is worth right now? Personally, it's a long shot. It's definitely a long shot. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying Shiba Inu is not gonna explode or go to the moon or anything. I'm just saying 1 cent is a push, and I've seen so many people talk about 1 cent Shiba Inu. I just don't want you to be misled and buy it right now because you think it's going to go to the moon. That's it. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you're interested in joining my Patreon, I talk about my trade alerts, what I trade, how much I trade, well, in percentage wise, and you can check the link in the description below. That's it. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.